I'm Nathan Allen with York Link, part of York Region's economic development team, and we are here at the Hood, which is a co-location space, and it's run by actually Build Up Labs, which I have Rui, who is the CEO here of Build Up Labs. First off, thank you for allowing us to host this networking event here. How has your Web Summit been for you guys?
Yeah, I guess this year was definitely the best one. We've been going to the Web Summit since Dublin, since 2014. We were really happy, obviously, when the Web Summit announced to come to Lisbon, and this was definitely the best year of all.
What sort of value do you feel that Web Summit brings to Lisbon and the startup system here?
So I guess it's clear that since 2016, the ecosystem has really evolved a lot, and amongst many other reasons, definitely the Web Summit and the exposure that we have with the Web Summit and bringing so much people, knowing not just our own ecosystem, but also Lisbon and everything that the country has to offer, that definitely helped the ecosystem progress.
Excellent. And now the Hood is an absolutely beautiful co-location space. Tell us more about this and Build Up Labs and what you guys do here.
Okay, so the Hood is our collaborative space. Several companies from our own group are here, also companies from the ecosystem that join us. The Hood, we have shoes. I don't know if you noticed, we have shoes all over the walls, and it's basically because we wanted to bring empathy as the motto for the collaboration here, and the shoes is for everyone to develop the ability to put ourselves in someone else's shoes, because whatever you are doing, developing, producing is for someone else to use. So the ability to put yourself on someone else's shoes is very important, and the shoes are here to remind us of that.
That's a great motto, and sort of, again, that idea of putting yourself in somebody else's shoes, especially with a business. You're not necessarily the one using the product in the end, so putting yourself in your customer's shoes. Now, what do you see in the value of sort of international partnerships and collaboration, and so again, the Canadians coming here to network in your space, what sort of value do you see in that sort of stuff?
So that was actually my mission this year at the Web Summit. I was going from delegation from all the different countries, and because that's definitely important for our own startups that we are supporting when they need to go abroad. We have some point of contact to the geography or the country that they are looking for, and the same, we can be a point of contact for whoever wants to come to Lisbon or explore the Lisbon and Portuguese market or the Iberian market. Yeah.
Wonderful. Now, last question for you. If people are interested in the Hood or Build Up Labs, where should they go?
BuildUpLabs.com, that's the place to start. Build Up Labs started as a startup studio 8 years ago, and we've been building and optimizing the process of building companies for the last 8 years. We've launched 14 companies, 3 exits, and a lot of failures. 2 years ago, we also decided to create the incubator so that we could leverage all these learnings to help other entrepreneurs build their own companies. And we are now supporting almost 60 startups from 24 different nationalities.
Excellent. Well, you guys are doing a lot of great stuff here, and I wish you all the best moving forward. Rui, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.